So hello, today we'll be doing a problem on contact forces. So suppose we have this uh, 10 kilogram object, 10 kilogram object, and this 2 kilogram object, right? We have this 2 kilogram object, and there's a 20 Newton force acting on these two objects. Let's say there's a 20 Newton force acting on these kilogram objects. So we're asked to figure out how much this 2 kilogram object is pushing on this 10 kilogram object. So basically we're being asked this, how much force this 2 kilogram object is pushing on this 10 kilogram object. So first we know, let's find the acceleration of this object if this force is acting on these two objects. So we know the total mass of these two objects is 12 kilograms, right? And we know F is equal to ma. We know F is equal to ma. So the mass of the object, which is 12 kilograms, times the acceleration would equal to 20 newtons. So that means the acceleration would equal to 20 over 12, right? That means acceleration is equal to 20 over 12. And let's just draw the free body diagram of this 10 kilogram object, since we're asked to find out how much force this 2 kilogram object is pushing on the 10 kilogram object. So we could say, if this dot right here, this free body diagram, if this dot represents the 10 kilogram object, we can say the force is that's acting on this 10 kilogram object is this 2 kilogram object, which is pushing with a force of x. I could label x, and is being pushed with a force of 20 newtons to the right. Is being pushed with an external force of 20 newtons and internal force of x newtons by the 2 kilogram object, right? So since we know that sigma F of all forces, right, is equal to, so we know the sigma of all forces, which is just the net force, is equal to the mass times acceleration, which we already showed. And in this case, for the 10 kilogram object, the sigma of all forces, considering that to the right would be positive, would be 20 newtons minus x, and we're solving for x, would equal to the acceleration of the object, which is 20 over 12, times the mass of this object we're observing for the free body diagram, which is 10 kilograms, right? So we're basically solving for x, so and we're solving for the magnitude of x, so we could say the absolute value for the magnitude of x is equal to 20 over 12 times 10 minus 20. 20 over 12 times 10 minus 20, and this would and solving for this would give you the magnitude of the force acting on the 10 kilogram object by the 2 kilogram object. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. This is the Fall Academy signing out.